nagawa 1998. Ito yung ginagamit natin yung katabi.
Ito yung cause of the traffic kasi two-way.
O, two-way. Ito lang two-way. At saka, ito Sek, ito yung ginagawa nyo ngayon. Kasi 1958 pa to. Sa panahon pa ni Father President. So, ang balak ko rito Sek, iakyat siya kasi sobrang baba na. Ito yung Bridge C na hopefully magamit. Ito going to Eastern Park, ito going to Western Park. At saka pag natapos ito, at saka natapos ito, ito na yung may emergency at saka bicycle lane nyo sa DPWH, no? So next,
At least it will be 4 lanes na.
yeah, hopefully. Ito yung present ko sa budget hearing na problema ng traffic, nabubog yung kapatid ko, and alam ng media, at saka lahat kami Sek tinitira talaga. Next, ito Sek, I'll show you a video. May panggalang sa tulay. Ito yung tulay, Sek, dinaan nyo. From Taguluan Port, ito yan lahat Sek. Ayan o, Municipal Hall, ito yun o. Oh, dito lang yung bangka. Somewhere here. Yan o.
Wala na.
Wala na. Problema na. Ginawa namin kahit zero integrity na to, pinadaanan na lang talaga namin. Ayaw pumayag ng region district. Ako na nagpilit ay gambot na kung pwede madaanan. Next, please. So, ito yung Sek. Napapasalamat din kami sa'yo sa space, mabilis na action ng Secretary DPWH. Ito sana matatapos 2031. So dahil kay Sek, hopefully matatapos tayo 27 or early part of 28. So, ito yung nangyari. Ito Sek, ongoing. Ito tapos na yung augmentation yung Sek. Ito yung parang, I don't know, it's gonna be the beam and the pavement na sa taas para magamit yung tulay. Yung hiningi at saka binigay mo nung last budget hearing, itong dalawang approach, 15 million at saka 15 million. Hopefully, pag natapos Sek, at least makaginawan na kami. So, ang mangyari Sek, ito will be the road from Cagayan de Oro going to Manila to.
O Kagaya, going to Maharlika na yan.
Oh, Maharlika to Manila to.
Yan. Yes,
Oh.
that's good.
At saka ito naman, pabalik Sek, from Manila, dito na dadaan sa third bridge nyo, papunta naman ng Cagayan de Oro, Zamboanga. Kasi wala iba dadaanan Sek. Pag hindi nagawa to, wala kayong dadaan, iikot kayo Davao. So next week. So, Sek, nandito tayo ngayon. May ginawa kayong bridge dito 2025. I think nadaanan nyo doon na connected to Buko. Ito yung bridge na ginawa nyo. 2025 pa, hindi na tungtungan. Bridge nyo. Oo, Puerto Claveria. Ito yung status Sek. 2025 pa, walang dagdag next. Kung ito si chairman ng infra, si Mando at saka si Sangguniang Bayan, engineer Bakulpo at saka si engineer Raganda. Ang sabi nila Sek, dati si mayor nga ayaw dapat pumayag na gawin yung bridge kasi ito problema nga traffic. So, ang proposal dati ng Sangguniang, may resolution sila, pinakiusapan ko lang na hindi pa patuloy. Sabi ko wala rin, zero integrity na eh. Wala tayong choice, papadaanan, pagawa o hindi na madaanan. So ito kasi Sek, doon sa unahan, left side, ito sana yung connect, ito yung bridge na yun. Hindi tayo dadaan, hindi tayo dadaan din, ito na bridge, at connected to highway din. Kung nagawa tong bridge na to, ito yung status ngayon eh. Ito yung bridge nyo, 2025 pa yan.
Pinundon mo, kakawit ko for... How far is that?
Ilan to? Engineer? Buta taas ni? Same as long as this.
Kira ka na na.
Dapat isama yan.
Ito yung ano. At saka if ang notice mo, Sek, grabe yung scoring na.
But what is the cost to complete? What's the cost to complete the bridge?
So, kung na-notice nyo, Sek, ang lawak na ng ilog. Di ba? It's covering already. Ito, nung...
Where does this connect?
This will connect to the back to the highway. Pero doon dadaan sana, hindi dadaan dito na bridge. Parang bagong bridge doon.
So it's like a bypass. It's like a bypass.
Yeah, more or less. It's like a bypass siya, Sek.
Where is that?
We're
This
here.
one?
Yeah, that one. We're here. This is 6 kilometers. Ito, so,
Nagagawan bridges.
this one. Ito tayo
So
ngayon.
this is here.
Yes, sir.
So you're saying if we complete this, saan dadaan yung mga tao in this area?
Dito na, ito na, here. May daan doon. Babalik siya sa highway.
Pero this is an existing highway.
The existing road, provincial and municipal road.
So they can cross this bridge and they will end up the same way.
Lalabas sila eastern part.
So at least it can be congested also.
It will. Kasi ito din, sir, continuous to papuntang Bukidnon. Ito labas kasi ito ng puerto, nung dinaanan nyo. Ito yung bridge na labas puerto, Cagayan de Oro.
Okay.
Sec, may 100 million budget to
Yeah.
complete the bridge na.
No, yeah, I understand. But to complete, we will have connectivity already to this road with 100 million.
Sa bridge lang yun.
Hindi kaya. So, how much do we need? Kasi bali wala yun. Kailangan mong kumonek. Bali wala matapos kung hindi ka mag-connect. So, this is an existing road. Don't you?
Yeah, ito existing road, provincial at saka barangay road. Some of it are PB deck. And PB deck more than willing happy kasi.
So, that
ito,
bridge will connect to this road now. So, how much to connect this?
okay. Next. Ito din, Seth. Ito yung problema ko. We always respect flood control programs of yours, discipline, lahat, audit. Region 10, wala naman sa awa ng Diyos, Seth. Ito kasi yung problema namin. Ito yung Taguluan River. Nandito tayo ngayon. Tingnan mo, Seth, alalaki ng mga ilog. Both two big rivers from Bukidnon. Ito yung dinadaan. Major river to, Seka, sa
Opo.
Mindanao. Yeah, Taguluan. Major river to. Ito yung deck. Ito yung situation, Sek. Ito, nalagyan nyo na ng flood control. Part here, nalagyan nyo. Itong red, wala. So, ang nangyayari, Sek, ito wala. So, ang problema lang, 15 kilometers. Ako, sinumbong ko lang sa iyo, Sek, muna, it's up to DPWH how they will appreciate it. Ang problema kasi itong ilog na, Sek, di ba, tira mo nakaliko dito? Pag ito tatalon dito, Sek, ang planta na dito sa unahan, hospital, gardenia,
Saan po
FGC,
banda yan?
dito.
How far are they from there?
Ito, Sek, na mga 7 kilometers, 8 kilometers to. Tapos, nandito yung San Miguel na battling, housing,
Do we have
schools, rice gas.
for this one? May basin master plan doon. Meron pa. Can we look at it para... We'll check the master plan.
Yes, Sek. Yeah.
We'll check the master plan. Can you ibangga mo nga sa master plan itong concern na ito? Kasi may mga factory daw dito eh. Ipag-flag ng overflow yan, o dito mga mga factory.
And history, andito naman si Barangay Captain Raganda, history will tell you, dumaan talaga dito one time. History will tell us. Di ba, Kapitan? Ito si Kapitan Raganda ang Sek, para mahiwig na talaga ako, dumaan na talaga dito. So, ito yung the flood control. That's the three, Sek. The bridge, the other bridge, and the
Nagdadredge ba
flood
tayo?
control. I wish.
Nagdadredge ba tayo dito, Bay?
Sec, wala pa po.
Can we start dredging
Yes,
this
sir.
already? Para in the meantime, kasi we will have to look at the master plan muna.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
dredge muna.
Yeah, Mayor, will dredge.
Let's dredge muna, Mayor.
Actually, I asked Congressman Manong that we can dredge.
Let's dredge muna.
Yeah, that
Even you are happy.
Well, I'll send Yusek Karima and his team next week.
Yeah. Thank you.
Para ma-check.
Sabi ko.
Sana, Sek, mag-dredge from the mouth
Kasi
of
we're
the
dredging
river.
now in Iligan eh. In Iligan. We're dredging in Iligan. So, kasi hindi Oro, wala pa tayong dredging.
Meron sec, pero hindi po lang. Check ko lang.
Meron na tayong dredging sa Iligan.
Ayan, yes, sec.
No, let's dredge here. In the meantime, kasi kaya natin gawin yan eh. Kasi ito, this will take time eh. We have to look at the master plan.
Oo.
So, in the meantime, let's dredge. Sige po, Mayor.
Thank you, boss. Maraming salamat.
Yes, yes.
Walang
No problem with the right.
Actually, we'll just work with DBTEC. Yeah. Last ito, no? So, ito, Sek, this is the,
No, we will do it.
and
Ano mo naman?
we thank you for coming, actually.
Huwag kayong magagalit kay Kong dahil sa bridge ha. Sa akin kayo magagalit. Huwag kayong magagalit kay Kong tsaka kay Mayor. Hindi nila kasalanan. Kasalanan ng national, hindi pinupondohan eh. So when Kong brought this up to me, nagalit si Kong and rightly so, talagang dapat magalit siya. Sabi ko, don't worry Kong, we will prioritize it.
Thank you,
Ito, watch what we're doing. So, ako sisingin ko, wag sila.
Thank you.
It's not their fault, guys. Sa mga tao po, kung naririnig niyo ako, hindi po kasalanan ni Kong ni Mayor to kasi talaga pong na-neglect ng DPWH ito for so long. And Congressman Bambi has been asking for this and begging already for this for the longest time, pero walang nangyari. Pero ngayon, our commitment, ang commitment ni PBBM, we will do everything to finish the bridge.
Thank you, thank you.
And the goal is to finish the bridge by next year. Tama?
Thank you! Hey!
5 years, 60 million tayo for 2027. So, kung can
We have 900. We have 900 or?
Remaining po.
No. How much do we have?
We have 100 for the bridge, for NEP. Tapos yung remaining balance sec is 900 million.
Yeah, but we don't have the 900. So we will have to look for this. Sige, magtulungan na nga kami ni Kong.
Dredging na tulong na.
But we will dredge.
Yeah, dredging kung yung...
For this, we will dredge this.
Lawak.
O kasi Kong, just for the people to know, para ganun din nila, ang agreement namin ng Kong, kailangan talagang iplano na ng maigi, especially yung flood control. And we're coordinating everything with Mayor, with Kong, with Governor, everyone. So parang maayos na.